The great Indian OTT race's finish line is no longer in the cities. एकदम मूवी जैसा ट्रेलर है, मस्त, says a comment on the trailer of an alt Balaji show called Dil Hi To Hai on YouTube. The trailer is for the show's second season and has 1.8 million views. Featuring popular TV actor Karan Kundra, the show is one of the many web series being released on OTT platforms in India. Rise of OTT platforms or over-the-top platforms in India as a viable entertainment option is old news. What's new is the demographic of the audience. According to the Broadband India Forum, as of April 2019, 65% of video consumption coming from rural India, which has only 40% internet connectivity. When it comes to streaming, common perception places it to be concentrated in urban areas. However, thanks to cheap data and easily available smartphones, the number of people who will consume OTT is set to increase. So, how do OTT platforms in India then plan to capture this audience? On 13th June 2019, Shefali Bhatt tweeted a thread about her mother. Well, about her mother discovering things to watch on Netflix. According to Bhatt, while it took some convincing for her mother to give streaming a try, she now devours Pakistani serials like Zindagi Gulzar Hai and Bollywood films like Ek Ladki Ko Dekha To Aisa Laga. Interestingly, changes in viewing habits have been attended with changes in conversation and mindset. Bhatt's mother is a first-time consumer of OTT content, and the kind of audience streaming platforms now want surfing the OTT wave. Let's put the India's OTT industry in context. Currently, India has nearly 450 million smartphone users and more than 32 online video streaming platforms. The country is the 10th largest market for OTT globally according to 2018 figures. According to a report by PricewaterhouseCoopers, India's OTT market is set to triple by 2023 and reach 11,976 crores, reports Quartz. The challenge then is clearly to capture first-time consumers and Tier 2 and Tier 3 audiences. While OTT platforms like Hotstar broadcast IPL and World Cup matches, Netflix focuses only on content. The streaming giant occupies 1.4%, according to 2018 figures of the Indian OTT market, and is aiming to be an entertainment option wherever there is an internet-connected screen. With the high production quality of its shows and films, Netflix is placing its bets on content driving organic traction with the audience. Netflix's upcoming titles hint at its future strategy. It has announced 22 original films in India, including Marathi language 15th August and an adaptation of Manu Joseph's Serious Men. Netflix's upcoming roster of shows also indicates its attempt to capture regional audiences, with the prequel to Bahubali in the pipeline. In fact, to reach more and more internet-connected screens, Netflix is reported to be working on mobile-only plans which may cost half the monthly subscription rate. More mobile-friendly apps are a strategy that Alt Balaji is also looking into. Over the last 6 months, 55% of Alt Balaji's audience has comprised Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns and cities. Speaking to the Quint, Sunil Lulla, Group CEO of Balaji Telefilms, says, our originals like Apharan, Dil Hi To Hai, Kar Le Tu Bhi Mohabbat and Bekabu have been widely popular even in small towns of Gujarat, Karnataka and Rajasthan, with people using their digital wallets to pay for the Alt Balaji subscription. To further make it easy for our subscribers to watch our shows, we have enabled an Alt Balaji Lite version where one doesn't need an app to be downloaded. Viu is seeking to capture the millennial audience with its originals, which have a regional focus. Speaking to the Quint, Vishal Maheshwari, country head for Viu India, said, content has been created keeping in mind the common denominator of the millennial youth and their aspirations, which are common regardless of whether they are urban or rural. It is this understanding and content creation that has given us successes like Peligola in the Telugu-speaking market, which has now gone into 3 successful seasons. Siddharth Roy, COO of Hungama Digital Media, also spoke to the Quint and emphasized that 48% of content consumption from the platform is of languages besides Hindi, with Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Bengali and Gujarati being the most prominent. In fact, the platform is now focusing on building its multilingual library with a special focus on vernacular content. Most streaming platforms in India are now acknowledging the demand for good content in regional language markets. With OTT platforms in India pushing for more content in the race to capture new audiences, the winner is certainly the consumer. Be it romantic shows, indie films, thrillers, sex comedies, or expensive regional language trilogies, there's something for everyone in India. All you need is a screen and the internet.